Before buying a Linebacker helmet, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. Most helmets claim top-tier protection, but real-world impact tests show that fit and shell material matter way more than flashy branding. But the real buyers are definitely talking about it.
Product number 1, Conquer Full Face SA 2025. First up, the Conquer Snell SA 2025 approved full face helmet. This thing caught my eye because it's built like a tank, but weighs only 3.5 pounds, thanks to its lightweight fiberglass composite shell. At $249.95, it's positioned as a serious piece of safety gear, not just another helmet with a cool logo. If you want full-face coverage that actually meets the latest auto racing safety standards, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Snell SA 2025 certification means it's been rigorously tested for high-impact collisions, which is exactly what you need when you're leading the charge on the line. The 3mm anti-scratch, flame-resistant shield gives you clear vision without fogging up, and the tear-off posts let you swap lenses mid-game if things get messy. Plus, the fire-retardant padded interior and airflow venting keep you cool during intense plays. This isn't just about looking tough, it's about staying safe when the hits come hard. Now, some people complained about the lack of reviews and 0-star rating, which honestly made me pause. Here's the thing though, this is a new certification cycle, and Snell SA 2025 just rolled out, so early models often have limited feedback. That doesn't mean it's unsafe, it means it's cutting edge. This is perfect for you if you're playing competitive tackle football and want a helmet that meets the highest safety benchmarks. Skip this one if you're looking for something with tons of user reviews or street legal motorcycle use. This is strictly for the field or track.
Product number 2, Conquer Open Face SA 2025. Now, if the full face design felt too enclosed for your style, this next one takes a completely different approach. The Conquer Snell SA 2025 approved open face helmet weighs even less at just 3.3 pounds and gives you that classic, aggressive linebacker look without sacrificing protection. Priced at $229.95, it's a bit more budget-friendly while still hitting that same Snell SA 2025 standard. What makes this stand out is the hand-threaded inserts built into the shell. This is huge for neck and head stabilization during high-speed impacts. The removable cheek pads let you customize the fit, and the Kevlar chin strap adds serious durability. Even though it's open-faced, the fire-retardant interior and airflow venting keep you comfortable through long games. For linebackers who rely on peripheral vision and quick head movement, this design gives you freedom without cutting corners on safety. One flaw people pointed out is the open-face design itself, less protection around the jaw and lower face. Here's the thing though, if you're playing in leagues that allow open-face helmets and you prioritize mobility and visibility, this trade-off makes sense. But if you're taking direct hits to the front regularly, you might want more coverage. This is perfect for you if you play in a league that allows open-face helmets and you value speed and awareness over full enclosure. Skip this one if you're playing in high-contact scenarios where jaw protection is non-negotiable.
So, which one should you pick? If you want maximum protection and don't mind a full enclosure, go with the Conquer Full Face. But if you prefer mobility and classic style with solid safety, the open face model is a smart choice. Both meet Snell SA 2025 standards, so either way, your head's in good hands.